Other guy here, back at it again with another video. Today's video topic, we're gonna be asking, can a man be ran through? All right, so there was this post that was on social media, and occasionally I get on social media just to kind of, I kind of take people off and shit like that. Kind of speak my facts. You know what I'm saying? You gotta speak your facts. Anyways, certified speaker, you already know. If you don't know his name, Moneybagg Yo. He had said something talking about staying exclusive. Don't nobody want nothing ran through. Real shit. Don't nobody want nothing ran through. And somebody put under his comments and was like, don't you have 7 baby mamas? And I'm here to talk about that. I'm here to talk about, you feel me, her response. And I'm here to talk about what he said. First of all, it's true. Don't nobody want something ran through. But in regards to what she said, can a man be ran through? Because obviously that's what she's implying. And to that answer, y'all, how he ran through when he the one doing the running. Keep in mind, I'm letting y'all know, man or woman, if you got an extremely high body count out there, bro, it's really damaging you. Your ability to pair bond has been reduced to absolutely nothing. You gotta hear yourself. Something, man. You know. So that's to say to that. I just had to go ahead and clear that out there. Just because a man has had many partners does not mean he's ran through. This is 99% of guys. And this is what 100% of men are taught to do. 100% of men are taught to pursue. Right? I could bring up a million posts now about how a man should apply pressure.
Y'all need to apply pressure.
If you want me, apply some fucking pressure. Show me you want me. Show me some effort. We're too grown to be playing games. I'm not gonna be sitting here guessing if you want me.
All I gotta say is, if you're not applying pressure, don't worry about who is. What you think this was? It ain't that.
Applying pressure takes work. Applying pressure takes time. Applying pressure takes expenses to come out of our comfort zone in hopes of you just to give me a chance. That's what applied pressure means. You know what else takes work? Running. Running takes work. If you want a man to apply pressure, and most men do that, how are men ran through for having multiple sexual partners? Because technically to you, he applied pressure to every single one, right? So basically, he's doing all the work. Well, women caught on board to say, hey, we gonna go out here, we wanna move like a man too. The issue with women is, women want to go ahead and move like a man, but don't want to take the consequences, right? They don't want to take the hard end of it.
Immediately no. I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.
Serious question. What would you ladies do if a man asks you to split the bill on the first date? I would simply split the bill, but I will never see him again. Peace out.
Immediately no. I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.
I'm going to let y'all know this, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end this video, right? The only way for women to not be considered ran through for having so much sexual partners, destroy the expectation for a man to court. The expectation for a man to go out there and provide for all your needs and do all of this before he gets, sex. Eliminate every single one of them. Not only that, take it upon yourself to court the man. Ask the man out. Take him out on a date. You feel me? Be the first to pay for the date, right? Oh, wait, what?
Nobody.
Don't sound too sweet, don't it? Right? You don't want to do it, right? So be at the end of the brunt when somebody tells you that you're the one being passed through, because you're not the one putting in work out here.